In this beginner-friendly tutorial, you'll learn how to make the half double crochet stitch. To begin a row of half double crochets, we will chain 2 to create the height needed for the stitch. Now you will yarn over your hook and insert it into the next stitch or chain. Yarn over and pull through the stitch so you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over your hook once again and pull it smoothly in one motion through all 3 loops. You have made a half double crochet, one of the most versatile and essential stitches in crochet. Let's do another. Yarn over your hook and insert it in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through for 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Practice on your own over the remaining stitches. Whether you're brand new to crochet or brushing up on the basics, this lesson sets the foundation for your next step, the double crochet stitch, coming soon. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more left-hand crochet tutorials, please hit like and subscribe.